All right, so we're here with part 3, and we're going to go over the chart that helps explain a little bit and gives you guys a good model of how World War I started. So let's label some countries. We're going to start with Serbia and then Austria-Hungary, okay? I'll just do those, and you can write out the full word if you want on your chart. Serbian nationalist terrorist group known as the Black Hand assassinates Austria-Hungary's Archduke Franz Ferdinand. So we'll put here BH for Black Hand attack. Okay, so attack. Austria-Hungary gives Serbia an 48-hour ultimatum, basically saying if you don't do something about this assassination, we are going to declare war on you. Serbia does not accept. So I'll do a little cross for does not accept. Up here we have Germany. Okay? Austria-Hungary communicates with Germany and says, hey, if you are my ally, will you back me up if I declare war on Serbia? Germany says, yes, we are allies. We got your back. We got your back. Okay? So, Austria-Hungary on July 14th, (1914) declares war. Declares war. Okay? Serbia reaches out to their ally, Russia. And Russia says, we are your ally. We're going to mobilize our troops, which basically means we're going to get our military ready. Germany notices that Russia is mobilizing their troops, so they declare war on Russia. So declare war, and they declare war on August 1st, 1914. Okay? So, once Germany declares war on Russia, Russia reaches out to France and says, hey, we need your help. France says, we are allies. I will help you. But then Germany gets involved. Germany says to France, stay out. And because they threaten France to stay out, France declares war on Germany. So declare war on August 3rd, 1914. Okay? Germany needs to attack France. How do they do this? They go through the Schlieffen Plan. Through Belgium. Belgium is yellow because they are neutral, remember? So Germany does the Schlieffen Plan through Belgium to try to attack France. Great Britain hears about this, and they get so angry, they declare war on Germany. So declare war, and this happens on August 4th, 1914. So as you can tell from the dates that I have written down here, the dates that we have involved, these are happening back to back to back to back. August 1st, August 3rd, August 4th, etc. Okay? And then finally, Italy, mamma mia, they stay neutral for now. On your slides in the next page, I might have written it out a little bit better for you to look through it. I put a few numbers that might help you look through it as well. So take a look at that chart, fill it out on your guided notes, and that is what you have to do today. So I'm going to stop this video, and then you'll turn in your notes in class.